So next type of sorting is tree sort. A tree sort is a sorting algorithm that sorts numbers by making use of the properties of binary search tree. So tree sort is going to use the property of binary search tree. Okay, whether previous search sort we have seen is that what heap sort, where we are going to use the binary tree. Binary tree. Same here in case of tree sort. Whenever say tree sort, we are going to use binary search tree property. So you know that binary search tree. Okay, binary search tree property we know very well that all the elements will be lesser than the root. Left subtree will be lesser than the root node. Right subtree will be greater than the root node. The algorithm first builds the binary search tree using the numbers to be sorted. So whatever the elements you are given, you are going to build a binary search tree. See, in previous one we have seen binary tree. A heap sort uses binary tree property. Here, the tree sort uses binary search property, binary search tree property. That you have to remember. Next, once it is you have built the tree, then you will call the in-order traversal. You know that we have seen three types of traversal: pre-order, in-order, post-order. The in-order traversal of a tree, in-order traversal of the binary search tree. Keep in mind, in-order traversal of the binary search tree will give the sorted order of the elements. So this is the example I have shown. Okay, it's an example of tree. So this is binary search tree property. So from this tree we can come to know that this tree is maintaining the binary search tree property by because all the elements are lesser than root node and this is greater than root node. Okay, any node when you take it will satisfy the binary search tree property. That is okay, fine. Next, for the what are the elements is given 100, 200 like that will be given. For something elements will be given. You have to build a tree. That's all. I didn't show the given array. Input array I didn't show. Directly I take an example. Okay, if any input array is given, you build a tree, binary search tree. That's all. Next, then you have to call the in-order traversal. So in-order traversal, you know that what left root, right. That you know. So when I call the left root right, so this is the final output. So it will be in sorted order. It will be in ascending order. So 10, then what? Left root right 10, 20, 30. Then this is over. Then I will go for the root element 100. So this is what is happening here. Then the remaining 150, 200, 300. So it will be in sorted. When you call the in-order traversal, so it will be in sorted fashion only. So what is the algorithm you are going to write? So this is very simple. I didn't take much time for this tree sorting. Why? Because we have seen tree algorithms previously in the third unit. Okay, that's why I'm not taking much time on this. You're going to build a tree. Okay, build a binary search tree. That's all. So what is the algorithm for this? Write insert function for binary search tree. So what is the insert function? The first phase is inserting elements into the tree. Inserting elements of the binary search tree such a way that we have to maintain the property of the binary search tree. Then call the functions. What is over? Once you build what? You will call the in-order traversal. No, second phase is what? Calling the in-order traversal. That's all. Call the function to visit the nodes of BST using in-order traversal. So this is the algorithm for tree sorting. So when you take tree sorting, we are taking only the binary search tree. We are not considering about other types of tree. Say for sorting, we are taking binary search tree. Okay, fine. So next is the complexity of the tree sort. So what is the complexity? So we have taken best case and worst case. So inserting a number in a binary search tree takes order of n log time. See, we have to remember these time complexities and all. So for the binary search tree, it takes what order of log n time. If it is the case like if it is unbalanced binary search tree, the numbers are already sorted. Okay, if it is already sorted, it takes what? The worst case. The worst case is this scenario. So the complete binary search tree with n elements is built in n log time, and the binary tree is traversed in order of n time. So the total required for the tree sort is this one. The total required is order of n log. For the best case is order of n log n, and for the worst case is order of n square. It requires quadratic time for tree sorting in case of worst case complexity. In case of best case complexity, if it is like n log n. So this is what about tree sort.